Yeah, I forgot to eat. Oh! Shit, I got him.
Oh, you're talking to
It's
him?
a girl?
Okay.
Or a man? Hello there. I would like to report an issue that has me slightly down. I was swimming in the gallows.
Oh no.
You wanna see? You wanna see this?
Yeah, you should put it on the.
No, I can't do that.
Oh.
I have my information. I was swimming in the gallows when I realized I was sick of being level 70, as they call it. So I boosted to level 100, and for some reason, the WoW gods, the ancients, I can't believe I'm doing this, decided to deny. They decided to deny me. I was gonna say nay, deny me the opportunity to do missions with my fellow hordes. I could not go on the epic expedition to something of the nature of the time walking. It kept me astray as my hordes laughed at me.
You need to like hurry up.
I am deep need of help, please. I would love to take part in the casualing of.
Just hit enter. Hurry up.
She said, "Dang those ancients." Take part in the time walking.
What did she say?
Please,
You need to show
it
the
is
chat window.
important to me. I would love to get my bony. I would love to get my bones deep in some epic gear. I have awaited so long, in all caps. My undead body can't take it much longer.
Will you show the chat window so we all can see you, please?
On screen? That's my information on there, I think. I can show you if you want to see it.
I don't think it has your information.
No, make a mistake. I have called upon the knowledge of some of my elders. We have been reading into some things in very old documents to see if we can find an explanation of this.
I told you.
Oh my! I just felt an enormous chill of excitement.
Oh my god.
Whoops, that's how you spell it. From your words, old great one. Not calling you old or anything. More like wise.
You can't even spell it.
If you could
Frank!
please bless
To annoy her.
these old bones with some of your enchantments of plenty,
Oh my god.
I would be more than happy to spread the word across the dark lands.
It doesn't have your information. You can show it.
Okay.
You can like just put the chat window there.
I have to I stop sharing with you. It's gonna be on a delay. I don't even know how to do this. Hold on. OBS it and then do that. Okay. Melders and I are able to pool some of our mana together and cast a powerful spell on your account in hopes it does fix the issue. Oh! Oh!
No.
You have made this old rogue proud and happy to be a member of the fight against the coming Eber. Thank you. Thank you.
You should put in parentheses like, do I have to log out and back?
And may the ancients sleep. May the ancients love on your body.
What? Ask her if you have to log out and back in for it to work or something.
Do I need to go back in the coffin? Do I need to go back into the portal of IRL and come back to join my hordes? However, it should mention that while you did use that wonderful boost to bring your character to level 100, the hands of the clock have not spun around 24 times. Oh! Why, thank you.
24 hours.
I think I shall dwell... Okay, can't spell. In the jungle. A bit longer. Do you know what the ancients have set me to? She said hordes. I bet she is dying in office. Like, this guy's freaking nut. I bet he has no girlfriend, never had sex, hadn't touched a boob. All he does is sit in an ancient dungeon and roleplay.
Roleplay in the dungeon.
She's gonna check my server. He's not even on Moonguard. It'd be great. The ancients love your body. I'm not sure what you mean. The clock you mentioned. I cannot see it. Do you? Whoops. Do you have the divine gift? Did I spell that right? Is divine not spelled that way? Is it I? There it is. The divine gift of knowledge about the time of my boosting. I don't know. She's like, damn, roleplay game too strong. I like how she has a picture of Jaina, or he or she has a picture of Jaina. Ah, yes, of course. Yeah, I bet they're all like hovering around this one computer and they're like, oh god, he's a nerd. I mean, her name is Chammer Russ. That sounds like something interesting. I like how it's called engagement window. The engagement window is here. So we're just waiting for her to check the 24-hour clock. I should give me some time, like 24:18. I mean, I did it around like 9 o'clock Eastern. Looks like it happened around 3:14 on what? 3:14. Oh, GMT. Oh Lord, I got an EU person. Can somebody translate? 3:18. Oh, thank you, wise one. I shall continue to ride this rocket with a beloved across. I swear I want to give it like two C's. Across the lands of the jungle to continue with the casualing. Thank you for your support. And may you help many more plebs. You were wonderful. P.S.
It's 10 o'clock.
Okay. I shall send you some undead warlock cookies in the mailbox for your great help.
Frank, just say goodbye.
I feel like, alright, peace. Thank you. Would like to hear the Game Master joke? Oh! Oh! Yes! Please! I cannot go on without it. Here we go, guys. Here goes. It's amazing. Smiley face. He's like itching to do this all day. It's like, what do you call a person who role plays a virgin? That's what you're gonna do. Here it comes.
Wow.
Why can't a gnome be a paladin? Oh, because he lacks the size of his hammer. Banned 24 hours. I bet she's cracking up for that one though. Hit. Nope. Oh, do tell. She got the, I bet she got the joke though. This is gonna be VODed. Sorry, have to. Oh, my stream. I will at the end. Because he's too short to reach the light. Oh! Oh! You have made me chuckle beyond belief. Please, if you have the time, you should check in on Djtechlive, Twitch.tv.
God. Shameless plug.
.tv/Djtechlive. And yes, more blessings of jokes. What's the difference between a gnome and a trampoline? Oh, I am stumped. Please enlighten me. Oh, please. You take your shoes off to jump on a trampoline. Oh! Oh! Oh my God. I love it. I seriously do. Oh, that's not how you spell serious. Do not know how you come up with this raw goodness. I love it. Thank you so much. You have made my bony. I'm not gonna say. I was gonna say you made my bone hard. It made my day. Oh, she even hugged me. I love you too. Aw. Oh, she told me she loves me. Why should be a dude? Hugs.
Solace, you missed it.
Have a wonderful night, fair Chamarust. Okay. That was awesome.
Oh.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. I did. That was like the best content in A right there. Legion. Hype.